It's been a while since I uploaded my last video, and that's because in the meantime I had to sell the BMW and I was hunting for a very specific car, which turned out to be quite hard to get my hands on. But I managed to do it, and we're back with a new series today with this car. This is a facelifted R53 Mini Cooper S from 2005. Now this is still a 20-year-old car, so obviously it will need some work. First of all, we have some rust here in the back on the trunk, which is, from what I can gather, like a very common thing on these cars. So either I will have to repair this, get it repaired, or replace the trunk. Then, of course, it needs a service. The supercharger needs a service. I know there are some oil leaks that I need to do. Now, the thing is with this car, this was the only one that I could find in this color with these options: the sunroof, the heated seats, the chili pack, the upgraded sound system in it. So that's why I chose this one. I know there are some issues on it, but that's why we have a YouTube. We fix these cars. That's what we do. So the oil leaks, that's a bit of a concern for me, because I know the rocker cover gasket needs to be replaced on it. And I have noticed that there is also like some dripping oil under the car when I move it, so I will have to check that out. And what I also want to do is I want to upgrade the things that are common failure points on these cars, like the thermostat housing, which is plastic, which is just rubbish. I'm going to replace it for an aluminium one. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then what I want to do with the car is, we're gonna make it look cool. Yeah, that's it basically. I did not buy this project solely as like a repair car. I bought it to make it how I want to. Like, I want to have other wheels, I want to lower it, I want to do some engine work, I want to upgrade the power on this car. But before I can do any of that, I obviously first need to make it mechanically sound, because my plan is to drive this as a daily after I fixed everything. But as you can see there, you can see some oil. I don't know how well you guys can pick that up. So yeah, the rocker cover is really leaking. Also this supercharger, I don't know when it had the service, if it had one ever. So yeah, I'm gonna do a supercharger service on it as well, then a general service. Then I'm gonna look for that second leak, because under the car there was some oil. I don't know that it's from the rocker gasket, but I don't think so. Then I'm gonna check this reservoir for the liquid. I will probably replace it for an alu one. So yeah, because those are also known to crack and leak. Then I have a couple of other things in the car that are some things that I need to check out. One of these is at the seat here. This, I don't know if you can see that, it's very dark. You see it's loose. That's the handle to slide your seat to the front and the back. What else do we have? I have here. This here is a bit loose, which I have to take care of. And then I'm gonna take care of the bodywork, because as you can see, there are some scars on there. There is the rust on the back, and then in the front of the bumper we have scuffs as well. Like here, you can see that really good. So that's something I will need to do as well. Then we have the headlights, which are faded and yellow. So I'm gonna either restore these or replace them, depends what the cost is for that. The same on the back, basically. The back lights, as you can see here, They're also very dull and need some refurbishment, but I'm thinking of upgrading them to better ones, so that will be taken care of as well. And then obviously we're gonna do some performance upgrades, and I already got my hand on something which is laying right here, which is a Miltech non-resonated exhaust, so that will be fitted. So that's good. We also have like this strut brace bar, whatever. These I got second hand for a very good price, so those will go on the car. Now the strut brace, I don't know if I will do it, because it's the one that goes behind the back seats of the car, and I don't really want to lose the capability of like carrying people if necessary. So that's something that's on the maybe side. Then I want to do like a smaller pulley on the supercharger. Obviously we're gonna take care of like injectors, colder spark plugs, maybe an upgraded bobbin, I don't know, the thing that gives you spark basically. So that's one thing that I also want to do, and I hope you guys will love this series. Join me in the journey of the transformation of this awesome Mini, which I have to say so myself, I really did a good one on this one. Well, if there are no hidden things, which we never know, but I basically had to chase the seller for 2 weeks before I really could even make an appointment with him to go look at it, to get the deal done. Then we had to go back. It was a whole thing, but I persisted, because I know this is something that you guys will love. This is something I will love. I also have more space in my garage now to work, because with the BMW that was a bit of a thing. Like in the back I did not have much space, in the front I did not have much space. This will be much better. So yeah, I hope you guys join me, and then I see you in the next one. Thank you.